Oh, delivery. Let's get it. Let's get it. So what is it? So we're gonna find out right now. Whoa! Shout out Ruffles. I mean, you see
That is really dope right there. Let's see what's in it.
Jackson's Geek. It's me. What is it? Let's find out. Oh wow! Let's get it. When Anthony Davis was the athlete behind the first ever Ruffles chip deal, admitted he was afraid of the dark, Ruffles couldn't let him face the end of daylight savings time without backup for his partner in chips. Oh man, you dig? This is, check it out, Drex. Yeah. This is so fresh. Ruffles, y'all are the chips. Oh, we got a flashlight. We gonna light it up too. Look at that. That is excellent dopeness. You can tell it's fresh. We're going to take this to the basketball court tonight. We are going to take this to the basketball court tonight. And we're going to light it up. Ruffles, y'all know y'all balling. So we got the light. We got that. We got the chip. Oh! Yo! The socks. I just want to say shout out to Ruffles. All glory belongs to God.